Hello, I'm Fredrick. This is Bob. Say hello, Bob.
Hi!
And we are with the Survival Channel, and we will be showing you how to survive in the rainforest. Come, Bob, let's go find something to do. Wait, Bob, I think I hear something over here. Oh my gosh! This is a friendly snake! Now, Bob, get this. Now, you see these snakes are supposedly venomous. They're perfectly safe. And now I'm going to grab it by the end of its mouth, because, and, well, goodbye, Mr. Now, you see there's minor swelling where the snake bit me, but should go away in about 3 days if I survive. Now, let's continue, Bob. Now, I think I hear something in the trees, Bob. Oh my gosh, Bob! They're monkeys! They're incredibly dangerous and venomous! Quick, Bob, I see this hole! Quick, Bob, put this leaf on your head. We'll disguise you. Okay, Bob, I think we're safe. Okay, after waiting 3 hours in the hole, I think the monkeys are gone. Okay, Bob. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to find food in the rainforest. Bob, pass me the trail mix. Okay, so there are these rare bushes in the rainforest called trail mix bushes. Now, under each bush, you can find a packet of trail mix. To distinguish each bush, it looks like any other bush, but some are different. So, now here you go, Bob. Now make sure to look at the expiration date because you don't know how long they've been here. Okay, Bob, let's go. Oh, here's a good tree. Now I'm going to show you guys how to find water in the rainforest. Bob, go over to that branch. Okay. Bob, pass me the water bottle. Okay, so in every banana, there are water bottles. Here you go, Bob. You can have the rest. Okay, let's get down from this tree. What's that? Oh my goodness! These are native girls! Oh my gosh, Bob, they're incredibly dangerous! Quick! I see a ceremonial stone that will make us invisible! We hide behind it. Okay, Bob, it's okay. Okay, I think they're gone. Okay, that was an exciting. Wait, Bob, I think I hear something again. Oh, it's our friend Mr. Snake! Oh, I think the native girls are shooting antidotes at us in the dark. Ow, my other foot! Oh my gosh, the monkeys are back! Why is the antidote swelling blue? Thank you for watching the Survival Channel on how to survive in the rainforest. We will be back next time to show you how to survive in a rock.
Hi, my name is Izzy Max and I directed this play.
Hi, my name is Layla and I played a native girl.
Hi, my name is Margot and I played a native girl.
My name is Grace and I have played a monkey. And a tree.
My name is Otis and I played the cameraman.
My name is David and I played the snake, the tree, and that's it.
I'm Paul and I played Fredrick.
I'm Michaela and I played a tree and a native girl.
And I played the bush too.